So, I had my nieces and nephew over last year. We had a good time for summer. I took them to Disney, Universal Studios, even down to the water park. Went to the beach a couple times. I treated them like they were royalty. I gave them pretty much everything. At the end of the summer when they were leaving, and I was walking back into the house, one of them, I don't know which one, decided to hit me with a water balloon after I gave them pretty much everything for the summer vacation. Since then, I've been thinking about how do I get my revenge, and this is what I have in mind. And here it is, the splatter ball blaster. This is a gel blaster. This is the perfect toy for summer. I can put my gel rounds in here, aim it at them, and get my revenge. So let me open this up so you can see what's inside. Blast a couple rounds, show you why I decided to get this gel blaster. And here it is, everything you get inside the packaging. This is your battery pack with your charging cable. To charge a battery pack, you simply have to attach a cable like this. And then this side plugs into a USB, regular USB port. This does have a light on it that once you're charging, it turns green to let you know that the battery pack is fully charged. Your protective eyeglasses. This is a mandatory for anyone who's using a gel blaster. This is going to protect your eyes in case a gel was to hit your eye. You don't want any damage. This is perfect for anyone who's playing or using a gel blaster. This is your gel holder. Your gel ball goes in here and then this screws into the top of the gel blaster. If you look right here, you will see there's a little drainage system right here. When I'm not using the blaster, I flip it upside down like this and let any water leak out of the base of this. These are your gel balls. You simply have to store these for 2 to 4 hours, and in no time, they'll be prepped and primed, ready to be blasted. And here it is. This is a gel blaster with your silencer nozzle and your hopper. Your silencer nozzle goes in right here, and your hopper simply slides back on top of here. It all locks into place. Your battery pack simply goes in right here and locks into place. And lastly, the gel holder. This screws in on top of here. And now you're ready to go with your silencer, gel holder, hopper, battery pack. Off and on switches right here. You simply slide back towards the trigger to turn the actual device on. So now this is ready to go. Now let me get some gel balls in and show you how this fires. So I've had these gel balls soaking for these 2 to 4 hours. So now what I do is I simply open this container up, and here's a little trick I use. This opening is about a little bit smaller than this opening. So what I do is I put this in here like this, and then I flip it over. And now I have all the gel balls I need with no spillage. And as I said, the base of this drains like any water you have out. So you give it a little shake, leave it for a little bit, the water's gonna drain out, and you'll be ready to blast in no time. So as I said, the gel blaster is perfect for summer fun. So unless I get an apology before they get here for summer, I'm gonna have to bring the gel blaster out.